Oh, that perfect pre-trip excitement. Your bags are packed, your route is planned, and this vacation is going to be unforgettable. Or at least, it should be. But one tiny mistake could ruin your trip before you even step on the plane. Don't worry, I've got you covered. These genius travel hacks will save you time, money, and stress. Plus a few that airlines don't want you to know. And number 7, most travelers have no idea it even exists. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Want to actually sleep comfortably on a flight? Try this. Tie a scarf, belt, or small blanket under the tray table to make a DIY foot hammock. It relieves leg pressure, prevents swelling, and feels shockingly comfortable on long flights. Bonus tip. If you're flying with kids, inflatable airplane mattresses can turn their seat into a mini bed. Game changer for restless little travelers. Coffee lovers, brace yourselves. Never drink coffee on a plane. At high altitudes, the air is as dry as the Sahara Desert. Your body dehydrates much faster. And coffee? It speeds up dehydration even more. Instead, always bring bottled water. But here's the TSA loophole they don't tell you. Frozen liquids are allowed through security. Freeze your water bottle before heading to the airport, and you're good to go. Hate bland airplane food? Here's why it tastes awful. At 35,000 feet, your taste buds go numb, so airlines oversalt everything. But here's the trick. Ask for a special meal. Vegetarian, kosher, etc. when booking your flight. These meals are made fresh, served first, and actually taste better than the regular menu. Try it once. You'll never eat economy class food again. If you ever feel nauseous while flying, here's a simple fix. Peppermint oil. A tiny drop on a tissue or wrist can instantly calm nausea and motion sickness. Pro traveler. Tip. Can't bring liquids? Soak a tissue with peppermint oil before your flight and keep it in your pocket. Works just the same. Struggle with jet lag. Here's what pro travelers do. Hack. Do an intense workout or cardio session before your flight. Why? Your body will be exhausted, making it easier to sleep and adjust to the new time zone. This is a game changer for long-haul flights. Ever feel rushed at airport security? Here's the hack. Wear a jacket with large pockets and put your phone, passport, and wallet inside. When you get to TSA, just throw the entire jacket onto the scanner belt instead of fumbling with trays. Why it works. You'll breeze through security while everyone else is still digging through their bags. Baggage goes missing every single day, but not yours if you do this. Before heading to the airport, take a photo of your suitcase. This makes it 10 times easier for airline staff to track it if it gets lost. Even better, get an AirTag or GPS tracker inside your bag. You'll know exactly where it is at all times. Airlines give out free stuff all the time, but only if you ask. What you can get for free: snacks and drinks, kids' toys, coloring books and puzzles, eye masks, earplugs, and even pajamas on some long-haul flights. Just ask a flight attendant. You'd be shocked what they have in stock. Most people waste layovers sitting at the airport, but you don't have to. Did you know many airlines offer free hotel stays, meals, and city tours if your layover is over 8 hours? Example. Turkish Airlines provides free hotel stays in Istanbul. Qatar Airways offers free stopovers in Doha, luxury hotel included. Always check the airline's website before booking. You might just get a mini vacation for free. Want to save up to 10% on every flight? Never book your ticket at full price. Book flights on Tuesday afternoons when airlines drop new deals. Use a VPN to check prices in different countries. Sometimes tickets are cheaper if booked from another location. And always clear your browser cookies. Airlines track your searches and raise prices if you keep checking the same route. All right. First up is a mistake I see people making all the time. It's a common scenario. You're in a rush, trying to make it through the airport as quickly as possible. You're rushing to catch your flight, your laptop's dead, and you think, no big deal, I'll charge it on the plane. But here's the thing, that's a risky move. You might assume that the airplane's power outlets will save the day, but that's not always the case. Sometimes those outlets don't work, or they're already in use by other passengers. And even before you get on the plane, there's airport security to think about. Security might ask you to turn on your laptop to verify that it's a functioning device. If your laptop is dead and won't power on, guess what? They can confiscate it. Yes, you heard me right. Your laptop could be taken away. The reason behind this is simple. Security needs to ensure that your laptop isn't a disguised device with malicious intent. A dead laptop raises red flags. So do yourself a favor and charge your electronics before you even think about heading to the airport. Make it a habit to check your devices the night before your flight. Ensure everything is fully charged and pack your chargers in your carry-on just in case. I get it. We all want that fresh from the dentist clean feeling, even when we travel. But that electric toothbrush? Yeah, that little thing can cause some serious headaches at security. See, most electric toothbrushes use lithium batteries, and those are like the TSA's favorite thing to flag. You're gonna end up with extra screening, maybe even a full-blown bag search. And nobody wants to miss their flight because their toothbrush set off the alarm bells. Okay, this one's a classic. We've all been there trying to find the best way to protect our valuables when traveling. You've got valuables, you want to protect them, so you wrap them in aluminum foil, right? It seems like a good idea because foil is sturdy and can keep things safe from scratches and minor impacts. But wrong. Here's the thing. Aluminum foil blocks X-rays. This means that when your bag goes through the airport security scanner, the X-rays can't penetrate the foil. And what does that mean for you? Well, it means that the security personnel can't see what's inside your foil-wrapped items. It means your bag is going to light up like a Christmas tree for the TSA. The opaque spots on the scanner will raise red flags. They're going to pull you aside, unwrap everything, and trust me, it's not a good look. The process is time-consuming and can be quite embarrassing. Instead, consider using clear plastic bags or specialized travel containers. These options are transparent and won't cause any issues with the X-ray machines. So you know how some people use coffee to mask the smell of, shall we say, other things? Well, the TSA knows it too, and that means your innocent bag of coffee beans could land you in some hot water. They might think you're trying to pull a fast one. And next thing you know, you're in secondary screening, getting swabbed down and questioned. Save yourself the trouble. Stick to buying coffee at your destination. For all you film photographers out there, this one's for you. Those TSA scanners? Yeah, they're brutal on undeveloped film. We're talking fogged film, ruined shots, memories gone forever. It's heartbreaking. So if you're rocking a vintage camera, do yourself a favor and pack your film separately. Ask for a hand check. It's a little extra effort, but trust me, it's worth it to save those precious photos. Those baggage stickers with your destination? They're important, but those old ones from past trips, they can send your luggage on a wild goose chase. Imagine this. Your bag ends up in Tokyo when you're supposed to be in Paris. Not cool, right? So before you even think about checking your bag, peel off those old stickers. It's a small step that can save you a world of headaches. Sample size hack for carry-on travel. Listen, nobody wants to check a bag if they don't have to. It's time-consuming, expensive, and let's be honest, sometimes those airlines lose your stuff. So, let's talk about carry-on hacks. My personal favorite? Sample sizes. Shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, you name it. They make it in a travel size. Stock up, pack light, and breeze through security without those pesky liquid restrictions. The shower cap shoe hack? This one's so simple yet so genius. You know those shower caps hotels give out? Don't leave them behind. They're the perfect way to keep your dirty shoes from touching your clean clothes in your suitcase. Just slip a shoe in each cap and boom, instant shoe bags. Plus, it's a great way to reuse those caps and reduce waste. The candle trick for waterproofing your suitcase. Alright, this one's for the adventurers out there. Got a fabric suitcase? Rubbing a candle over it can actually make it water resistant. Yeah, you heard me right. The wax creates a barrier that helps repel water. So even if you get caught in a downpour, your stuff stays dry. It's a simple trick that can save your belongings from a soggy fate. Stop packing. Just in case items. Be honest, how many times have you packed something just in case and never used it? Yeah, we've all been there. Overpacking is the enemy of efficient travel. Pack only what you need, and I promise, you'll survive without that extra pair of shoes or that bulky sweater. The roller fold debate, backpack versus suitcase. The age-old question, roll or fold? Here's the thing, it depends on your luggage. Backpack, roll those clothes. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. Suitcase, folding is the way to go. It keeps things organized and maximizes space. So choose your packing method wisely, my friends. Avoid this packing mistake or risk TSA hassle. And finally, the grand finale, the packing mistake that could land you in TSA purgatory. Don't, and I repeat, do not pack anything that even remotely resembles a weapon. Toy guns, tools, even that weird-looking bottle opener you got as a souvenir. It's all a recipe for disaster. Pack smart, pack safe, and avoid the TSA's wrath. It's very wrong to put carry-on backpacks into the overhead bin space. This practice can cause inconvenience to other passengers and may lead to damage to your belongings. Always place your carry-on backpack under the seat in front of you. Not only does it free up overhead bin space for larger suitcases and shared items, but it also keeps your essentials easily accessible during the flight. Plus, it can save you from the hassle and delay of having to retrieve your bag from the overhead bin during deplaning. So next time you board, remember, keep your backpack at your feet and you'll have a smoother, more pleasant flight experience for yourself and everyone around you. Before you buckle up and prepare for takeoff, here's a quick tip to keep you hydrated at 30,000 feet. Never accept coffee on a plane because it causes dehydration. Opt for water or juice instead to stay hydrated during your flight. Those cabin conditions can be harsh, and staying hydrated is key to arriving at your destination feeling fresh and ready to go. So next time the beverage cart comes around, make the smart choice for your health. Safe travels. There you have it, 21 travel hacks to save you time, money, and stress. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a yes in the comments if you're using any of these hacks on your next trip. And before you go, check out these other genius travel tips. Just click to the left or right. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.